Hello traders, welcome you all to our channel Big Bull Trading. Today in this video I am going to show you another trade in Bank Nifty options. I am showing this trade only with one lot. I am not taking more lot, only with one lot. I am selecting the price. You can see I will show you with one lot how much money we can take in one day. Okay, so we will buy this one now. We are buying the call 38,900 call. We buy this one. So we will show you. I take this trade based on the trend line, but this is on the option chart. I made the main chart on the trend line. What I have done, it's on the Nifty chart, Nifty spot chart. This is for the support only. I have taken this one. So now we will put the stop loss, because stop loss is very much important for all the trades. Suddenly a spike comes and it can fall huge, so we have to always safeguard our trade. I will just put the stop loss. I put it little below down only, because sometimes 30-40 points sharp downfall is there and it is hit our stop loss. So I put the stop loss little deep. Hope it will not take our stop loss and we will be getting our target. So we will wait and check what it happens. As of now, only 45 rupees profit is going on, and you can see I am doing the trade only with one lot. Today I have taken two trade. One trade I have already taken, and this is the second trade. This video, the purpose of making the video is to show you, even in one lot, if your prediction is analysis is correct, if you can judge the market, you can make some money from the option trading also. And never think of, whenever you are trading in the options, you want double, triple like that. Try to get a 10%, 15% return in the options. For example, every day if you can make 10% returns in the option, just think how much you can make. In 10 days, in 2 weeks, you will be doubling your capital. Correct? So never think of getting huge profit like that, triple, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Always try to make a decent target which is achievable every day. Every day if you make small profit, end of the month you will have some good amount of money also, even with the one lot. So we will wait. Now we are making a loss of around 62 rupees. Thing also, traders, every day you will not be making profit. Some of the trades you will make losses. Even if your prediction, what you are thinking or taking the trade, if it's only 60 to 70% correct, it's okay. As of now, you can see I am making a loss of 688. Now the loss is even more like that range only. So we will see how much losses. And I have just edited the video. I have not given the full video. I cut it out because it will be a very long video. See, now there is a little spike in the video. We are again back in our profit zones, 872. But now we will not be selling. We will hold. Our target is around 60 points, but minimum 30 or 40 points is required. So now you can see we are already making 1,000 points profit. Again it came down to 500. We are expecting around 600. My expectation is around 400, but it's taking a huge time. I am waiting for that. Maybe I will get out if I get back to the same range of around 380 or like that. So I will just show you now. I will just hold a little more. So better I will book my profits. Now it's in the range of 360. So I will close the trade. So I am planning to close the trade as the price is not moving further. I am expecting it should go 400. At least it should be 400. But since not moving, I will close it now. Yes, I close the trade. We will check how much profit we have done in the trade. 3 trades I have done. 2 I have taken today intraday. So the total profit, you can see above it is showing 853 basically, but that is including the 3. Out of that, 1 is there. I have taken the positional, means I will sell it tomorrow. 1 options I have hold it. So for today's profit, is 800 and 320. It's around 1100 profit for today, and the loss what is showing there, because I'm holding one trade, that I will update tomorrow's video. I will update. Today 1100 is the profit.